Hi there, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today I'm going to be assembling this pretty Easter card, which is simply colored with some alcohol markers and then adding a bit of shine from hot foil behind. I'm going to be featuring the January 2022 Blooming Blessings Sentiment Kit from Unity Stamp Company. It just has this great large floral bouquet, which is perfect for Easter cards. I'm starting out with my Copic markers, just a small variety, only one shade in each family. I have my image pre-stamped on some Nina Solar White 80-pound cardstock. And I used some Copic friendly ink. This one I believe is Gina K Amalgam. The other one I'll use often is Memento ink. And I'm just going around and using the G000 to color in my leaves. And this could not be any simpler. I'm not even coloring the entire leaf. I'm just going from the center and kind of pulling that out. I did one layer, kind of let that dry and soak into the paper, and then I came back around and added another layer just to kind of deepen the center of the flowers. Next, I'm moving on to the yellow of the lily. This is Y000. And for this one, I'm just kind of starting at the center of the flower and pulling it out. Again, I'm not even focusing on covering the entire image because I like the white. There's just something about this look of color just kind of radiating from the center of the image, leaving a lot of white space that I really enjoy. It's just a really nice soft look in these pastel colors. Just perfect, I think, for Easter, and really such an easy way to color. You don't really have to think about shading, you don't really have to think about being perfect. Just adds a little bit of color to the image in a nice soft way. And here I'm just going to finish up adding some green to the stems and we're done. Next I'm going to add a bit of shadow behind the image. I'm using BG000 and just lightly adding a halo of color in a circular motion. And I'm not even going out very far. I just kind of want a subtle, again, pastel look right behind the floral image. Just kind of creates a frame. And then once that's done, I went in with my Zero blender and just kind of softened the edge of that halo. And that's it. And that finished all of our Copic coloring. Next, I'm going to do a bit of hot foiling. I have a chevron hot foil plate from Pink Fresh Studio. And I just taped in some holographic foil and then ran that through my glimmer machine and my die cutting machine. I just really am enjoying this hot foil trend. It's just a great way to add a bit of sparkle to your cards. Then I just matted each of those panels and then glued them directly straight down onto the card. And the only thing that's going to be popped up is the second part of our greeting. I stamped Easter directly onto the card front and then popped up the greetings part. And then just to add a little bit more interest to the card, I'm using some Nuvo Dream Drops in Cloud 9, which has this pretty iridescent effect that kind of mimics the hot foil. So here is the finished card with that soft pastel coloring that is so easy to do. I love the simple layered panels, and the gorgeous holographic foil is really amazing. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Plus, if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!